Howdy folks, it's Nito with AP 2020 Outdoors. Trying something new here. Got my scope, phone scope adapter with a sight mark spotting scope. Gonna try to shoot some groundhogs. My buddy Jacob and I, my 9-year-old son yesterday, seen some groundhogs in this field. Stay tuned. I just smoked them. Alright folks, like a pretty good sized groundhog. Oh yeah. 17 HMR did the trick. Alright folks, nice sized groundhog. Oh yeah. It's got, oh look at him, balding out and everything. Farmer's gonna be happy, that's for sure.